All right, let's survey the damage. Check the structural beams.
See that root system?
See that root system undermining the foundation? All right, let's start with this big one. Careful on the ladder, watch your footing. Roots are deep here, need to pry them. Chainsaw's ready, standing clear. All right, careful here. This one is stuck. Got it. Easy now. There, she's loose.
The drone has located the main structural failure.
Check the roof tiles.
Mark the rotten timber. We need to replace it all.
All right, beams here. Poles are ready. Watch your step. Mind the harness. Measure twice, cut once. Looks good. Secure the clamp. Verified. Perfect alignment. Lift slowly. Watch your step. Got it. Easy now. Looks good. Ready for the gun? Go ahead. Es mejor desde aquí. Aprieta ese borde. La siguiente sección está dañada aquí. Lo tenemos. Keep it steady. Watch that angle. Almost through. Careful with the supporting beam. Got it. Drop it clear. Coming down. Hold it there.
Look straight.
Look straight. Secure the clamp. Done. Looks good. Tight enough. Got it. Moving to the next beam. Line it up there. Almost got it. Watch the corner. The front and center are secure. Let's move the ladders. Right, clipping off now. Pass that beam down carefully. Heading to the rear with the ladders. Keep it clear below. Got it. Watch that beam. Almost free. Nails secured. Keep it steady. Watch the angle. Needs to go just a little to the left. Ready. Locking it in right there. Line it up here. Got it. Now lock it in. The flashing is solid. Ridge caps look good. Runoff is clean. No leaks here. Looks ready. Okay, load points look good. Ready to apply pressure? Copy that. Tightening the brace now. Watch the level as it rises. It's holding steady. Brace is secure. Cut it right here. All right, she's cut. Get the new piece. Hand me that impact. Looks good. Let's get this bracket in. Pass me the tape. Let's check the spacing on this one. Keep those gaps tight. Looks good. Here, hold these steady.
Nice.
Nice. Move on to the next row. Keep it steady. This one's loose.
Yes.
Move that piece there. Watch the dust. Line it up right there. Looks good. Let's smooth it out. Keep those fasteners hidden. This sanding is bringing out the grain beautifully. Applying the first layer of sealer here. Good, let's keep it eco-friendly.
The bolts are resisting. Use the impact wrench. Watch the ropes now. Lower it slowly. Clear the marked area.
Okay, looks good. Yeah, solid. Keep that spacing consistent. Looks good. Let's get these railings up next. Tighten every fastener, make sure it's solid. Keep it square. Looks good, just a bit more left. Nice. Secure it.
The alignment check is complete. Begin localized masonry cleaning, applying structural repair mortar.
The mixture is ready. Pass me the trowel. Watch the wood. Keep it smooth, just covering the patches. Make sure the tape is flush with the edge. We're ready to test the sprayer now. Let's make sure the flow is consistent before we start. The masking tape is ready to come off. All right, let's start with the upper right windows. Perfect. We should see the reflection of the jungle clearly. Keep it steady. Down slow. Clear. Got it. Ready for the next one. Readings look good. Let's clear this pathway before we go in. Ready to open the door? Go for it. Go for it. Quite a bit of dust in here. We expected that. All right, let's seal this up. Got it. Looks good. Damage here. Documenting. Mark that for demo. Okay, let's start here. All right, I've got the extractor ready. Watch the dust. Noted. Get that pile by the stairs first. All right, next one is loose. I'll get this out of the way. Watch for splinters.
The measurements align with the joist specifications.
Affirmative. Installing it now. Stand clear. Line it up here. That's it. Perfect. Another one ready. All right, this tread looks salvageable. I'll label it.
Copy that. This riser is coming out.
Careful with the handrail up top next.
Got it.
Line it up with the laser. Looks perfect. Set it. All right, next one is level. Looks good. Let's get the rail. The inspection is complete. Roll in the lifts.
Let's prepare the sprayers.
All right, ready for the ceiling. Keep cranking. It's in position. I've got the mud and tape. All right, let's test these circuits. Looks good to go. Powering up the smart panels. All right, final checks. Looks good. Let's get this protection rolled up. Moving the carts in. Watch your step, mind the debris. Okay, let's seal this off. Setting up the vacuum here. Grab that loose plaster, careful. All right, these top ones are done. Let's move to the lower cabinets. Okay, use the pry bar carefully. We want to save the hardwood pieces. The concrete is more deteriorated around the edge. We need to take out more here. Mix up another batch. All right, ready. Keep these cables separated. Hand me the crimpers, please. Testing this circuit now. Okay, let's get this first sheet up. Ready with the gun. Push it up, I'll secure it. Got it. Need more screws. Green light on circuit 2.
Pressure's holding steady at 60 psi.
Cabinet run at 5/6 inches. Ready for install.
Keep it smooth.
Got it. The dust extraction is working perfectly. Keep it even, don't miss any spots. Got it. Brushing the edges now. Okay, let's get those boards down carefully. Yeah, watch the corners.
Right here, sir?
Right here, this is the line. All right, snapped. Line it up. Right there. Little to the left. Yeah, perfect. Checking the level. Line it up here. Looks good. Let's get these hinges adjusted. Line it up here. Watch the corner. Perfect. Add adhesive. Smooth it out. The faucet stem is loose. Here, got it. Just need to tighten this fitting. Turn on the water, see if we have any drips. Looks good. No leaks here. All right, that's connected. Let's see the lights. Powering on. Looks good. Let's finish the wiring.
I think this door needs a slight adjustment.
Let me get this last smudge on the dishwasher.
Look at these backsplash tiles.
Wow, the lighting is beautiful.
All right, laser line's perfect here. Let's start with the adhesive. Got it. Just need to seat these spacers properly. Keep it even, don't miss a spot.
Moving on to the trim now.
Looking good, nearly done with the ceiling. All checks cleared, everything looks perfect. Ready to switch off the temporary lights. Let's head to the master, grab the flooring. Collapse ceiling here. We need to secure this area first. All right, team, let's get the lights and runners down.
Roger that.
Watch the debris.
Clear.
Perfect, good light.
Keep it steady.
Got it, watch out for splinters.
This is heavier than I thought.
On 3.
1, 2, 3.
The joists match the plan.
Good.
Good. The stud's secure here.
Wiring's running smoothly.
Hold it steady now.
Got it.
She's in. Looks great. Almost done here.
Yeah?
Yeah, just tidying up. Keep it steady. All right, I got it.
Watch the dust.
Hand me the drill. All right, this piece is really stuck. Need the nail puller?
Yeah, thanks.
Got it. Watch the dust. All right, let's get this timber in position. On it.
Watch your footing.
Level looks good. Bring the panel over. Careful, let's pull from this side. Watch out, this piece is heavy. Grab the vacuum, that corner needs cleaning. All right, watch your head there.
Clear.
Clear. Looks good. Stapling it in now. Checking the power to the smart panel.
Ready?
Okay, green light, looks like we're live. Line it up.
Ready.
Just a bit higher.
Tapes on.
Compound next.
The dust-free sanders make a huge difference in the air quality. We can already see the smooth surfaces taking shape. The primer application is underway, ensuring a flawless foundation.
Inspecting every square inch for perfection.
The structural repairs are solid. Looks like we're good to go on the electrical too. Let's bring in the finishing tools. Looks good. Now just slide the next one in tight against the laser. Okay, got it. Tap it into place. Perfect. Ready to nail. This premium finish is making the wood look incredible.
Looks perfect. Such a beautiful improvement.
Couldn't agree more. All right, let's check this against the spec list. Just getting this frame hung. We need to make sure this alignment is perfect for the soft close. Just a fraction off, let's adjust the bottom track. All right, let's get this panel anchored securely. On it, hold it steady. Perfect, now for the shelving. Aligning the brackets. Nice. Give the drawer a test. Hold that steady. Got it. Just need to fill this last joint. All right, final coat on the ceiling, looking good. Done with the bedside sconce, installing the pendant light now. Time to test the smart switches. Here we go. Wow, look at that light. Looks perfect. Lighting's working properly. Window seals are tight. Just need to gather the demo tools. Looks good. Yeah. Lighting's smart too. Right. Windows tight. Right, let's get into that bathroom. Okay, let's start with the vanity.
Careful with the wires.
Nice and steady, it fits perfectly.
Now for the faucet. Pass me the wrench.
All systems checked and confirmed.
Perfect. Ready for the next phase.
Everything looks pristine in here.
Ensure this curve matches the plan.
Let me check the level.
Keep it steady, that's good.
Keep it big.
Make sure the roots are fully covered. Adjusting the emitter now. Looks straight. The pathway lights are on. Try the up lights now. Looking good, adjust a little left. Line it up perfectly. Got it. Secure the post tight. Checking the level now. Panels next. All right, time for the final check. Systems check complete. Looking good. Yes. Activating water and the lights. Perfect.
The cushions look perfect.
Where?
Let's move the basket closer. This planter needs to go here. Just right. Check the lantern's height. Done.
Solar monitors are online. Rainwater flow is confirmed. And the irrigation system is now fully automated. Looks perfect. The trim and lighting are spot on. Agreed. Final inspection complete. Let's head out. Looks perfect. We did it. Absolutely stunning. Worth all the effort.
The journey to restore this magnificent structure began with its darkest chapter. A decaying ruin, lost to time and nature.